Dimitri, you said that you liked your eggs, quote unquote, bitch. So, here you go. Got you some eggs. Got me some eggs. You know, and Camo, I know you ROTC training, so
Thanks. They give us some food
yeah,
and training.
food. Oh, keep sneaking up on me. Here.
There's bugs in these eggs.
That's a you problem. Anyways, Dimitri, how about you tell him about this gun?
Don't mind if I do. This was personally bought by me a while back ago. Decided I didn't need it, gave it to him. Overall, this was a G&G ARP9 with some sort of A-Tech tracer and a stock extender. Overall, allowing batteries to get in that range. It was about $230 for the base gun, an additional like $80 for the two other parts. Now, is it worth it? Let's find out.
This is an ARP9 from G&G Armament. It goes up to 350 FPS, and it costs around $230 on ebike.com. The gun comes equipped with adjustable flip-up sights. My favorite thing about this gun is it's aesthetically pleasing, and its performance on the field would be good. The gun itself has 4 modes: safety, semi-automatic, and automatic, and burst fire. The magazine can hold up to 200 rounds. The hop pip is located in the chamber, right here. Look, Dimitri's having fun.
He can't swim!